Welcome back to the Septic Gates LLC YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many aspiring homeowners in the USA down payment assistance programs. Purchasing your first home is an exciting step, but the financial burden of a down payment can be daunting. That's where these companies come in. In this video, we'll discuss some of the top companies that offer down payment assistance to first-time home buyers across the country. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the options available to help you achieve your dream of homeownership. Down Payment Assistance, DPA, is a financial program or arrangement that helps individuals or families cover the upfront costs associated with purchasing a home, specifically the down payment. The down payment is a percentage of the home's purchase price that the buyer needs to pay out of pocket, separate from the mortgage loan amount. Down payment assistance programs aim to make homeownership more accessible, particularly for those who might have difficulty saving up a significant down payment. Here are some key points to understand about down payment assistance. 1. Purpose. The primary purpose of DPA is to assist homebuyers who might have limited funds for a down payment. This includes first-time homebuyers, low to moderate income families, and other groups facing financial barriers to homeownership. 2. Sources. DPA can come from various sources, including government agencies, nonprofit organizations, community development programs, and even some private lenders or employers. 3. Types of assistance. DPA programs can take various forms such as grants, forgivable loans, or low-interest loans. Grants do not need to be repaid, while loans usually have some form of repayment requirement, which could be deferred or forgiven after a certain period if certain conditions are met. 4. Eligibility criteria. Each DPA program has its own eligibility criteria, which might include factors such as income level, credit score, location of the property, and whether the applicant is a first-time homebuyer. Some programs might also require the buyer to complete homebuyer education courses. 5. Amount of assistance. The amount of assistance provided varies widely depending on the program. It could cover a significant portion or even the entire required down payment amount. 6. Repayment and conditions. If the assistance comes in the form of a loan, the terms of repayment will depend on the program. Some loans might have no payments due for a certain period, while others might require monthly payments. Forgivable loans often have conditions attached, such as the buyer living in the home for a specified period. 7. Property requirements. Some DPA programs might have property eligibility requirements, such as the type of property e.g. single-family homes, condos, and the property's condition. 8. Application process. To apply for DPA, potential homebuyers usually need to follow a specific application process outlined by the program. This could involve submitting financial documents, attending educational workshops, and meeting with program representatives. 9. Combining with other programs. DPA can sometimes be combined with other housing assistance programs, like FHA loans or USDA loans, to further lower the barriers to homeownership. 10. Local variations. DPA programs are often administered at the state or local level, which means the availability and terms can vary widely depending on where you're looking to buy a home. Before applying for any down payment assistance program, it's crucial to carefully review the program's terms, conditions, and requirements. Make sure to also consider the long-term implications of any loans you might be taking on, as well as how the assistance aligns with your overall financial goals. Consulting with a financial advisor or housing counselor can provide valuable guidance in navigating these programs. Top national companies. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. These government-sponsored enterprises offer various down payment assistance programs, including Home Ready and Home Possible loans. They provide flexible options, low down payment requirements, and competitive interest rate. Federal Housing Administration, FHA, backed by the government. FHA loans offer low down payments and lenient credit requirements, making homeownership more accessible to a broader range of individuals. U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. If you're looking to buy a home in a rural or suburban area, USDA loans might be a great fit. They offer zero down payment options and favorable terms for eligible borrowers. Department of Veterans Affairs, VIA for eligible veterans. VIA loans provide incredible benefits, including no down payment, competitive interest rates, and no private mortgage insurance (PMI) requirement. State and local program. California Housing Finance Agency, CalFA. This agency offers various down payment assistance options to help Californians achieve homeownership. Programs like My Home Assistance Program provide grants to cover down payments and closing costs. Texas State Affordable Housing Corporation, TSAHC. First-time homebuyers in Texas can benefit from TSAHC's down payment assistance grants and mortgage credit certificates, making housing more affordable. New York State Homes and Community Renewal, HCR. New Yorkers can explore programs like the Affordable Homeownership Development Program, which offers down payment assistance to eligible buyers. Florida Housing Finance Corporation. The Florida HHF DPA program provides $15,000 in down payment and closing cost assistance to qualified homebuyers in the state. Nonprofit and private organizations. Nehemiah Corporation of America. This nonprofit organization specializes in down payment assistance, helping buyers by providing gift funds for their down payment. Shanoa Fund, operated by the CBC Mortgage Agency. Shanoa Fund offers various down payment assistance options, including forgivable loans and grants. Local community banks and credit unions. Many local financial institutions offer tailored down payment assistance programs to support homebuyers in their communities. Eligibility criteria and the application process for down payment assistance. DPA programs can vary widely depending on the specific program and the organization administering it. However, I can provide you with a general overview of what you might expect. Eligibility criteria. 1. Income. Many DPA programs target low to moderate income households. The specific income limits can vary by location and program. Generally, your income will be compared to the area's median income to determine eligibility. 2. First-time homebuyer status. Some DPA programs are designed exclusively for first-time homebuyers. A first-time homebuyer is typically defined as someone who hasn't owned a home in the past 3 years. However, definitions can vary. 3. Credit score. While DPA programs may have flexible credit score requirements compared to traditional mortgage lenders, a good credit score is often preferred. 4. Homeownership education. Many DPA programs require applicants to complete a homebuyer education course. This is designed to educate you about the home buying process, financial management, and responsibilities of homeownership. 5. Property type. Certain DPA programs might have restrictions on the type of property you can purchase. For instance, they may focus on primary residences and exclude investment properties. 6. Residency and citizenship. You will typically need to be a U.S. citizen or a legal resident to be eligible for most DPA programs. 7. Debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio, which is the percentage of your income that goes toward paying debts, can also be a factor in eligibility. 8. Location. Some DPA programs are targeted at specific geographic areas, such as particular neighborhoods, cities, or counties. Application process. 1. Research programs. Start by researching the DPA programs available in your area. You can do this online through local housing agencies or by contacting nonprofit organizations that offer housing assistance. 2. Gather documentation. Prepare the necessary documentation, including proof of income, tax returns, employment information, and any other documents the program requires. 3. Complete application. Fill out the application for the DPA program you're interested in. This might involve providing personal information, details about the property you're planning to purchase, and financial information. 4. Attend education courses. If required, complete any homebuyer education courses mandated by the program. These courses are meant to equip you with knowledge about the home buying process, budgeting, and responsible homeownership. 5. Application review. The program administrator will review your application and documents to determine your eligibility. This may involve a review of your credit history as well. 6. Approval and assistance offer. If you're approved, you'll receive an offer detailing the amount of assistance you're eligible for and the terms of the assistance, whether it's a grant, loan, or forgivable loan. 7. Closing on the home. Once you find a suitable home and agree on the terms with the seller, you'll proceed with the home purchase process. The DPA funds will be disbursed according to the program's guidelines. 8. Comply with program requirements. If the DPA comes with conditions, such as living in the home for a certain period, make sure to adhere to these requirements to ensure the assistance isn't rescinded. Remember that each DPA program has its own unique process, so it's crucial to carefully follow the instructions provided by the program administrators. You may also want to consult with a local housing counselor or financial advisor to help you navigate the application process and ensure you meet all requirements. Owning your first home is within reach, thanks to the array of down payment assistance options available. From national programs to state initiatives and nonprofit organizations, these companies are dedicated to making homeownership more accessible. Remember, the path to homeownership might be challenging, but with determination and the right assistance, you can turn your dream into reality. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on real estate and homeownership. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.